Hello, my name is David McCarty, and I'm the Service Director here at Night Office Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to replace toner cartridges on mid-volume sharp color and black and white copiers. Before we get started, I wanted to point out where the low toner level would be displayed in the operations panel. On this model, it will show in the upper left-hand corner. Double tapping the home button will bring up a display that shows the individual toner status for each color. This display applies to both the black and white and color machines. On this particular black and white model, the toner is located right behind the front cover in the middle of the machine. The cartridge should pull directly out of the machine. The new container will have step-by-step instructions on how to replace the cartridge. Before installing, shake the new cartridge back and forth horizontally about 5 or 6 times while making sure to keep it level. After that, you can install the new cartridge and close the front cover. To change the toner on a colored device, you will again open the front cover of the machine. You can identify the spent cartridge because it will extend out from the machine just slightly. Like the black and white model, the old toner container can be pulled directly out from the front of the printer. Keep the new toner horizontal and shake it about 5 or 6 times. Then slide the cartridge into place and close the front panel. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and that you'll come back whenever you have routine maintenance questions. If you have an issue that isn't covered in one of our videos, feel free to give us a call, and one of Night's experienced technicians will help get you back up and running in no time.